My name is Jack Olney. I'm the Executive Director of the Centre for Health Economics and Policy Innovation at Imperial Business School. The Global Health Policy Summer School is a 2-week programme for undergraduate students who want to understand how evidence, economics and policy shape real-world health challenges. It blends lectures, workshops and practical exercises to show how governments and organisations make decisions on issues such as taxation, health systems, sustainability and the affordability of medicines. You'll explore how fiscal policies influence population health, how systems are structured and financed, and how environmental and social factors affect outcomes globally. You'll also learn the fundamentals of policy evaluation, work with real data using tools such as R, and hear from experts working across industry, government, and international organisations. You'll work in small teams on a real-life policy challenge, acting as consultants to develop evidence-based solutions. This can involve analysing data, assessing trade-offs, and designing an intervention that is both realistic, equitable, and grounded in economic reasoning. At the end of the programme, you'll present your recommendations to a panel of academics as well as your peers. You'll leave with a solid grounding in policy evaluation, applied data analysis, and economic reasoning. You'll strengthen your ability to communicate complex ideas clearly, work effectively in teams, and approach real-world health issues with analytical confidence. These are foundational skills for careers in public health, consulting, global development, and policy. If you're interested in how evidence and economics can drive better decisions in global health, then the Global Health Policy Summer School is for you.